Okay guys, this is another TEMU haul. This is my 7th TEMU haul. Another small package, just random stuff that I got for my home. Remember guys, I'm not sponsored, but I'd appreciate if you watch my videos. Calabash Green SLU, product review, or TEMU haul. So let's see what came in the package. Some stuff I remember I ordered some time ago. Maybe I can't remember everything. Okay, so what's in this small one here? Oh, this one is just some finishing nails. A box of nails. Thought it was much bigger. Remember guys, I'll put the price somewhere here so that you'll be able to see it. These are just nails. This here is a light. This is partly open battery. You need to just fit the batteries in and it comes on. So it's not rechargeable, it's battery. It's for your cupboard or your closet anywhere that is darker and you need some more light. You can use that. This here is a set of reusable plastics, like caps, sort of like a shower cap that you could just put over your stuff, that if you're going to refrigerate something. It has various sizes. You open it up, see how large it can open, and you're able to cover whatever it is that you need to cover. So if you have a bowl that you need to cover with some stuff in it, you could actually take it, for instance this bowl here, take it and just cover it before you put it in the refrigerator. Just cover it up like that, nicely. So that's reusable for covers for food. Okay, let's see what else again. Oh, this here is just a roll of double-sided tape. This is I like my tea, and sometimes you could pick your herbs and just grind it together. After you pick your herbs, you grind it, you could just put it in, close it up, seal it, and you're able to make your tea. Whatever else that you need to, you could be able to fit it in. It goes in like this way, and you fit it in like this. Okay, this here is some Velcro. I have lots of wires that I need taped up, so all I do, I just cut off a piece, Velcro, and tape the wires so that they are properly secured and they are neater and cleaner. Oh, that's just simple. This is a set of cable ties. The short ones, the cable ties, you just use it to tie up some of the wires that I need to tie up. I'll just tie them up. This here is a tripod. The tripod that I have using right now, it does not have the arm with the angle, so I got this one. Oh, these are all the parts that came out from it. So I got this one. That's the mount, and it should have the arm so that I could use it and I could do 360 filming with it. Alright, great. So you see it has the arm that you could actually use it to adjust. I'll try it out guys and let you know. how it works. Great. So you could turn it around, switch it, swivel it, however you want, so that it can work. And these are the different attachments. I will go over them. This is the remote, and these are some of the screws to fit with it. So remember guys, I'll put the price up there so that you could see how much I paid for it. And this last one here, as usual guys, you know I always like to get at least a pair or two of shoes with every order. So this one is just an ordinary walking shoe. This one is the black. I actually got the 41. My size is normally 42, but for whatever reason I couldn't get the 42, so I took the 41. So what I will do, I'll try it on so that you could see how it fits. So please help my channel to grow. Please watch my videos, watch it to the end, so that I'll be able to do better on YouTube and be able to get some more subscribers. So these are all the items that I got on TEMU. Not a very big order this time. I will get back to you with maybe one or two of the items that I use in terms of the tripod and the shoes. So have a great day guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Check out the other video. There's another pair that I got in blue with a white border. It's very nice and comfortable. Okay, so this is another package which I'm going to add to the last one. This one came in a bit later and I figured I'd just do one video of it guys. Let's just open it and see. This one is very small, not too much I ordered in this one. Ooh. This is a solar light. I only hope it's not broken. Oh, no, it's not broken. This is a solar light. If you check my other videos before, you'd be able to see that I actually did get another one. Oh, and this is just the charging cable for it. Stuck up in here. And the magnets. So you also get it with the magnets. 3 magnets that you could adjust and put it underneath. This is for when you need some more light under in your closet or under your kitchen cabinets. This is a solar light that I got, an outdoor solar light. So it is not rechargeable. Screws, the manual. This is it here. Oh, pretty tiny. I thought it was bigger. Okay. Great. So this is the solar panel side exposed to the sun. You should be able to get these lights going. And this last one in this package, this is a pair of shoes. You know I always get shoes. So that's the second pair. I will show you all of it as I try it on to see how it fits. Okay. This is a pair of sort of like slippers. Nice good grips. This is a 42. That's exactly my size. Has some good grips. I'll actually show you the price, what I actually paid for it. So don't forget guys, like and subscribe. Please continue to support my channel, and there are various other videos that you could watch in terms of setting up your cable box, your cable TV box, your smart TV box, and all these other bits and pieces. You'll be able to get some information right here. Calabash Green product review. Thanks for viewing. See you on the next video.